Thank you for listening to WAHC. We need to interrupt regular programming to activate the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
Civil authority has issued shelter-in-place warning for the following counties or areas. Kerr, Texas, at 10:17 a.m. on February 3rd, 2022, effective until 10:47 a.m. From the Kerr County Sheriff's Office and the Office of Emergency Management, road conditions in Kerr County are deteriorating rapidly. Travel is not advised unless you have a medical emergency. If you lose power, a warning center has been set up at the First United Methodist Church located at 321 Thompson Drive in the gym at the back of the church. If you cannot make it to the warning center, go to your nearest volunteer fire department.